Hello everyone and welcome to the introduction of your new project. It is an off-grid cabin that you're going to be creating in Revit. So to introduce this project, actually you can find it under Content, Revit Project Off-Grid Cabin. So let's go to the outline. Alright, so I've created this project with an overall story behind it to hopefully make it fun and entertaining. So each task that you're going to be doing has another added part to the story. So here's the scenario. A high-profile secret agent needs to go into hiding for an undetermined amount of time. His existence must be undetectable. The agent will bring along his guard dog and spouse to keep him company. The client's spouse will be able to travel into town once every 2 months for supplies. The client needs to go off-grid as soon as possible. There cannot be a delay. The client's representative is Mrs. Kuehl. That's me. Your mission is to design a cabin for an unknown top-secret client that is completely off-grid. The cabin requires power, water, and sanitary system to keep them alive and comfortable. Additional information will be sent to you when required. You'll be using a time management tracker to make sure your project will be completed on schedule, as time is of the essence. Okay, so let's review the building. The design constraints are as follows. Use the internet, magazines, and books for inspiration, but your designs must be unique. Building layout must be functional for 2 people. A maximum area of 1,200 square feet total, including the second floor if you have one. It does not include the basement if you're going to create one. The floor plan does not have to be square, but it must fit in the maximum area. Floor to floor height is 8 feet. Your cabin must include a kitchen, fridge, stove, sink, minimum. Bedroom or sleeping area, living area or great room, a washroom with a shower, large storage area for food and supplies, at least 2 months worth, and an undetectable panic room. This is a minimum. So if you also want to put in a laundry room, you can, but it is not required. Cabin must have a minimum of 4 windows and 2 exterior doors. We're also going to be creating an off-grid systems report, and that is for all of the power, water, and sewage systems that you guys are going to be researching to run your house. So research and choose off-grid systems for your cabin. Create a report describing why you chose each system and how it will work with your cabin and surroundings. Include photos. Put your photos in and around your project report. Describe the system for each of the areas below. Again, attach a photo. I'm really emphasizing this so you guys don't forget, because the client needs to be able to visualize what your ideas are. So for power, you need to power the fridge, stove, lighting, and heat. Water supply for the sink, shower, toilet. Sewage, toilet water, gray water. You'll learn about gray water. That's like the dirty water that comes out of your sink. Not the toilet, but your sinks. Like when you have a shower, all the water that goes out of your house is called gray water. Include pictures and diagrams. Copy and paste them from the internet. Write a description of the area around the cabin. So we want to have an idea of where the cabin's located so we can visualize, just visualize where this is and why you're choosing each system. Okay, so that's it for your project outline. We will continue with planning in our next video.